All right, time to go hit the loop. What am I in? I'm in map switch number 2. You know, I always run 2. 2 is, I don't know what 2 means. I really should look this crap up. My neck brace today, and I tell you what, I feel like spring chicken, for God's sakes. Freaking cobweb. I don't know which the aggressive map is. If it's onto the new trail. This is the newest addition to my trail system. As you can see, it's been ridden a lot. Oh, baby. Yep. Blew that corner out into this spike zone. Gotta take care of that. Just was on the horn with the old Zach Crap 1, and actually I wasn't on the horn with him, I was just texting him. Oh, what is this tree? What the hell? And we're talking about how trail clearing sucks, and you want to hate your life. And it's terrible. And like, screw trail clearing. Just kidding. What is this tree? What? This was just cut like a few days ago. What the heck? Woo, she got a little squirrely, baby. I kicked the rock. Actually, I kicked my freaking leg there. Pretty good. So this needs to be clear. That's gonna hurt someone. Oh, I gotta cut some of that stuff back. You know, it's like when you think your trail's good and you're like, yeah, man, I've spent like 80 hours cutting this thing. Yeah, like this trail is ready to go. And then you look at it and you go, shoot, I missed all that. Like, that needs to be cut. That tree back there needs to be cut. Everything needs to be cut. So I normally run traction control, and I'm not running it right now. I'm also running my map switch position 1, which I also don't normally do. Ooh, that's kind of sketchy. Gotta hit that higher, or else you get stuck down in the ledge. Jeez, I already got arm pump. What the heck? Get an arm pump on my own course? What in tarnation? You know, I can't get over how fuel efficient this new bike is. It is literally crazy. This thing, like, doesn't use gas. Like, I am, like, convinced that it is a hybrid. Dare I say it? I'm riding the Prius of dirt bikes here. Like, what? Like, how? Kind of screwed that up a bit. What the heck? I cut you! Freaking die. Oh my good gosh, I do. I have arm pump. Oh. good arm pump practice, I guess. Oh, this is cool. I need a nickname. I want to nickname this the Squeeze. I like that nickname. You guys like that nickname, the Squeeze? This is the tight stuff here. I don't know, I gotta think of a nickname for this. I don't know, can't think of one. Leave one in the comments. That's kind of fun. We got the double log crossing here. That's always a lot of fun. Ooh, that's a zigzagger. You got that, you got a snake in between those rocks there and that stump. That's always a lot of fun. And then you can goose it up that. You gotta avoid those rocks, avoid these rocks, hit this log, and then you gotta avoid all those rocks, man. Those are like Death Valley. Yeah, baby, I love this freaking 250F. Let's go around that. Ooh, helps if I don't overshoot the corner. That'd be big. Oh yeah, this hill, this is the slip and die. We'll call that the slip and die, because it's very slippery. Yep, that's gonna be the slip and die. Okay. We'll call that, I don't know, think of a name for that little hill right there with all those rocks. I went to a motocross track yesterday, and I tell you what, there's something that's really true. I suck so much at motocross, it's not even funny. Like, it's bad. Like, I'm so freaking slow, and it's just, there we go, that works, okay. My preferred use of trail clearing weapons is, clippers. I really like, we have a pair of steel clippers, and I tell you what, nothing clips like those steel clippers. Like, they work so good. But anyways, where was I going? Oh yeah, motocross. Holy crap. There were some fast freaking dudes and ladies. There was fast dudes and fast ladies. And I'm just getting my butt wrecked. Like, literally just annihilated. We got this nice big log here. It's kind of like half broken, which is really weird. I washed the front end out on that, yeah. Whee, owie. Holy mother of God!
Holy mother of God!
I think that was a hawk. That was big. That was a big freaking. Okay, so I thought it was going away from me, and I thought it was flying away from me. And then when I noticed it was flying at me, I might have freaked out a little, just a tad. Oh no! I screwed that up. Oh my good gosh! It was either an owl or a hawk, one of the two. But oh my good gosh, that scared the living daylights out of me. literally scared. So this tree, this freaking tree, man. There we go. That thing scared the living daylights out of me. Holy crap. What the heck? What? I know that's been fully cleared before. Man, I don't get these woods. Everything keeps falling. Things keep... Wait, what the heck? I swear, I've cleared this so you can breeze through here and not touch anything. And it's like all these branches have drooped. They're droopy ass branches. What the heck? What are up with these droopy branches? I didn't sign up for droopy branch syndrome. These people keep coming onto our property. I'm really not sure what the deal is. So what I do every once in a while, Is this my dirt bike trail? This isn't my dirt bike trail. What the heck? Huh, okay. Well, people keep going on our property, and I'm not doing it to be mean or anything, but I put sticks against where our property boundary is because it's like a continuing trail, and I put sticks there because it's just, frankly, if I have other people riding with me, they don't know it's their property, so they could go flying on it. It's happened before. Heck, I've done it. I'm zipping right along, and I'm like, oh crap, that's not our property. The boundary's right here. And so I do it for a safety thing. So I put these sticks across, and it's like our posted signs are right there, so it's like not like it's anything that's surprising. And I put the sticks there to keep people from keep going on the trail, because like most times if you see sticks or something, people go, oh, hold on a second, let me think, and I can catch up to them or something else. So I put them there, and these people keep moving the sticks. And I've been out there on the ATV, and I've seen them. And it's like, wait a second, hello, what are you doing? Yo, what are you doing? Because I come around the freaking corner at 25 miles an hour, and you're there walking your dog, and you bolt one way, and your dog bolts the other, and I hit either one of them, I am going to be livid. And you're going to be livid, because you're going to be like, oh my god, this guy came around the corner on a dirt bike, and he hit me, and Freddy, the dog, you know, Freddy, and it's like, well, I'm sorry, but you walked by a bunch of posted signs that you can't miss. Oh, someone's gonna totally stuff their front end and eat it right there. I like it. Oh, this is for the black and blue. This is black and blue training. Oh, crap, did it just break in half? Darn it. Oh, baby, that wasn't bad. That wasn't bad at all. You doggy. Oh, fudge, I got a tail. Oh, no. An unwanted tail. Hey, who's that handsome looking dude in the mirror? Yeah, I know you need an oil change. You had one at like 18 and a half hours. I know, I'm not being neglectful. You spent 6 hours. I know, you need one. Don't worry, you're getting one tomorrow. All the stuff's coming tomorrow.